On today's episode of Onoto, we are making pineapple fried rice. You know how I always bring to you guys sweet mouth and also healthy foods. So let's dive right in. Now we are going to fry our soaked rice with curry and a little bit of oil and onions. We do this so that it will give us this green color we need for the fried rice. After that, we add in our meat stock, then kidney beans and green peas because they are hard. So put it with the rice so it gets soft. Cook your rice until it's 90% done. Now we'll bring out our pineapple and set that aside. In my heated pan with oil, I'll add in my grated ginger and garlic. Then I'll add in my chopped carrot and fresh pepper. Saute and also add in my bell peppers, that's green, yellow and red pepper. Fresh parsley leaves and my harmonious dark soy sauce for real Chinese stir fry. So I'll saute and mix this together, adding a little bit of curry powder. Then now we add in our rice. Stir fry for like 2 minutes so the flavors will mix into the rice very well. Now I'll add in my spring onions to garnish the rice, and now our pineapple, the queen of the food. Now mix to combine. Remember to do all this on low heat if you want to enjoy this delicacy. And voila, our pineapple fried rice is ready for enjoyment. And it was really tasty and delicious. I rate it 100 over 100. You should try it. Thank you for watching up to this point. If you are not yet a follower, please, this will be a wonderful moment to follow me. Thank you so much. Bye.